I think we yesterday promised that we will show that we can actually get the commands for the drone. This ducky has a circle above it, and the hook will come from down the drone and pick it up. Approach our airport, which is this one.
The webcam is your proxy for the drone.
Exactly. Yeah, so now we see that it says go ahead because we are basically aligned with this direction.
Those are the drone commands, right?
Exactly. Yes. Now we have the correct angle, and we can basically start the pickup maneuver. We can only come from one direction because this makes a plane and we have to cross the plane.
In a perfect scenario.
So what do you do if you miss? You
Try again.
Okay, that's not a perfect scenario then. That was good. The release is good, even though you're not hitting the ducky bot.
And we can do both calculations for both airports. And then we can set just it to a fixed height because we know the height of the hook and we know the height of the duck, basically. So we reduce the problem of vision to a 2D problem. We will implement a ducky detector.
Yeah. Ducky detector, that's a good one.
I can quickly demonstrate that the system that we've built actually integrates with our drone. We decided to go for a black and white stream.
The gimbal is designed to make the camera always aligned with the world in the same direction in world space, not with camera space.
This integrates with what you saw beforehand.
The problem is that if we start the applications that we developed in a simulator, they're broken. They have to be uninstalled, installed again.
Anything on the map front?
Yeah, we may try to launch it and let it find the duck and then the airport, but it may take a long time. We wanted to see which of them the bots see better.
The duck is flying onto. Okay. Is this your placement? The way you place a duck?
Yes.
On the bot? I see, that's a ducky bot cable.
We need this size for the airport.
We do not model the autonomous behavior of a duck. The rest is...
Yes.
Now we see the next demonstration. Let's see what's going on. What will it be?
So we want to pick up and drop down the duck using our newest mechanism, which is using a stronger magnet. And then we use on our landing platform, there is also one magnet inside. Almost worked.
Yes.
We put it on top of the ducky bot.
Do you have some metal platform on the bottom or
There's a magnet.
You
And
won't
can't
be able
pick it
to
up.
put it off.
inside the...
Yeah.
Successful prototype demonstration. Very good.
We never had an algorithmic pick-up and drop-off, so it's the wireless debugging.
I can also show you his face. So basically, you enter the X and Y coordinate where you want to go. So if you want to fly, for example, to 16, 20, what is 12? You just enter 4, 3.
That was fantastic.
We're aiming the camera for the middle of the QR code, so now we had an accuracy of 3 centimeters. When it loses tracking, it will try to lift up again to find the tracking again.
Here's what I liked. When this went then diagonal, but then it was going in this starvation mode again, but it recovered.
What we actually figured out is that there's a little bit of delay when sending the commands.
Yesterday I understood that all the drone commands that are in front of the crucial command need to be worked out, processed, and that slows you down.
It always has to know its location to accurately fly.
Hello.
Can
we do the takeoff and server part?
What exactly? It's not a state machine. That's how we want to. So we've got the map, and basically when we have an image from the drone, we need to build a graph. So this is our graph. So we decided to build this graph from this one. So with instead of intersections nodes, every stop line is a node of the graph. Reds are forward, blue ones are right turn, and yellow is left turn. Okay. These are nodes and these are neighbors.
Okay.
We are now trying to connect the Ducky bot and the routing controller so that it would be possible to reach from this point to the drone. So we can show how it passes the first intersection correctly.
Mariana's gonna fly the drone. It takes off, it takes a couple of pictures and sends them to a server. So here in the server slot you can see it built a path for Ducky.
The idea is that from these pictures we get only the graph. So now Ducky bot is recognizing the sign.
There we do have some latency because the way over there is from drone to iPad to server to computer vision module, and that takes a while. Also, one thing that actually worked, but maybe you didn't realize because it's didn't pay attention, is the gimbal movement. Right now, what we can know is where the drone is in relation to the map.
Yes.
And what they are working on is calculating from that which direction the drone needs to fly to. And that is the only computer vision that will be done on the iPad. And the Ducky arrives on its destination.
Yeah. That pickup was not autonomous. Now, binary search for batteries.